everyone, my name is Katie Powers and I'm your local realtor and credit repair specialist. And today I'm going to be covering how to keep those pesky, annoying debt collectors from calling. There are 2 tips and tricks that you can do that will keep them from annoying the crap out of you, and I'm going to go over those. But first things first, you need to understand what debt collectors are trained to do. When you understand what they're doing and how they operate, it helps you to navigate the phone call much more. So debt collectors are trained to keep you on the phone for a minimum of 60 seconds. They do this because in that time frame, A, they're recording you, and B, the longer you're on the phone, the more likely you're able to admit something or confirm, validate something about yourself. So the top questions that they ask you is they want to validate your name. They want to, in fact, know that the phone number that they are calling is getting the debt owner on the phone. So confirming your name gives them validity. Confirming your date of birth gives them validity. Confirming your address. This is a big one. Do not confirm your address. I'm just giving you that heads up, but that's a main question they ask, confirming your address. And the last thing they do is they question you about the debt itself. If you confirm that you know you owe this debt, they've got you dead to rights on a recorded phone call. Tip number 1, when they start asking the questions, right, the ones we just listed, name, date of birth, address, and the debt itself, the first thing you need to tell them is, I'm not confirming any debt. Please send me the debt that you have in question to the address you have on file and hang up. It's that simple. The debt itself and the act of you having to pay that debt back has to be in writing. It cannot be verbal. It has to be in writing. And if they don't have your correct address, then it's not a valid debt according to the bureaus. So do not confirm your address. Just tell them to send you the debt that's owed to the address that they have on file. That's it. Hang up. Don't answer any other questions. Don't confirm your name. Don't confirm your date of birth. Just say, send it to the address you have on file. Tip number 2. This is a good tip that will keep them from calling forever. Okay, so what you need to do besides, you can send them a cease and desist, but they don't seem to work very often. But the number 1 thing you do is you tell them that you're working with a debt management company. That's it. Don't give the debt management company's name. You don't have to actually be working with a debt management company. However, I would highly suggest that, or a credit repair company. But when you tell a debt collector I'm working with a debt management company, they legally have to stop calling you, because that means that they should be receiving some type of payment or dispute on the debt itself in the upcoming months. So they don't want to start harassing you because it goes against their case. So telling them, once again, that you're working with a debt management company should and will get them to stop calling. Now, with all of this being said, these are some great tips and tricks to get them to stop calling. But if you truly do owe those debts, I would highly suggest you either entering a debt management company program or a credit repair program. Either one will help. We have 2 different tactics. I personally own a credit repair company. I'd love to do a free consultation, which means I would go over all 3 credit bureau reports with you and tell you what my program can and cannot permanently delete from your credit. And I also give you 9 to 10 steps of things you can do to help improve or reestablish your credit. Of course, we know credit is king in the world we live in right now. So boosting those scores are important, whether you are looking to buy a car, a home, or just simply stop having debt collectors call you. So if that interests you, my phone number and email is listed right here below. Please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I would love to hear from you and would love to discuss your future. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my page. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.